Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today's video is going to be just a very chill, laid back unboxing. It is Thanksgiving week and today is like the one day I can film. So here we are. I just did my skincare today, no makeup, barefaced, in a hoodie, just like it's a laid back video. So today I'm going to be unboxing this huge box that I got from Bazzaal Box. So if you guys want to see what's inside of here, then keep watching. Bazzaal is a marketing agency. They basically work with a bunch of K-beauty brands. I post a lot of their products that they send me on Instagram and TikTok, so follow me on there if you're not, so you could see all my product demos and reviews. This is their Grow and Glow hair and body box, and this has a lot of products in it. I am just so shocked that Bazzaal sent this to me. I'm just so surprised when any brand sends me anything, because it's just so cool just to try out new products, and that like big brands are seeing little old me on YouTube or Instagram. Let's open this up. I'm so excited to see what's inside. There's some papers on top. One has some info about the products, but this is everything inside, so let's dig into this. Before I get into the products, this is all like K-beauty. I don't know if I mentioned that, so this is even more exciting because K-beauty products are so fun to use because they're always so different. First product being this Benton beer yeast shampoo. This is good for relieving hair loss. It has beer yeast extract and it is scalp cooling and soothing care. Next up is this Rovectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Face and Body Cream. This has a hypoallergenic formula and it will soothe irritated skin. I wish I brought this in my bathroom with me the other day because I finished my body lotion and I am just now using samples, so I'm going to be using this next. Next up is this Benton Shea Butter and Olive Hand Cream. This is made with shea butter, olive oil, and hyaluronic acid, and it will keep your hands fresh and moisturized without being sticky, which is so nice to hear because I feel like some hand creams are they just leave your hands feeling so gross. So maybe this will go in my pocketbook. Next up we have this Dr. Gru Microbiome Capsule Shampoo. I had to look up what this one was because everything is written in Korean, but apparently this is so good according to the online reviews, and people love it. Next, we have this Benton Scalp Massager Brush. This sounds like it is going to be so relaxing, and it also has how to use it on the box, and then on the back of the box are some acupuncture pressure points. I'm very excited to use this. I feel like it's going to be very relaxing after a long day. Everyday sunblock from Derma B. So you can use this all over your face and body, and it's not going to be sticky, and it's very lightweight. And this is SPF 50. Another Benton product. This is their Honest Scalp Nourishing Tonic Ampule. So according to the back, you just part your hair and pump this onto your scalp, massage it in, and you can use it after washing your hair or when your scalp feels dry. I will be using this every single day because my scalp has been feeling so dry and so itchy. It's been so flaky. It is just, I don't know if it's the weather change or what, but I need this. Another hair care product is this Rosemary Root Enhancer from Aromatica. I totally butchered that name, but I feel like I'm going to love this. I love root enhancers. Then I got this Solid and Ceramide Lip Essence from Torridon. According to the paper here, this is a vegan lip essence enriched with organic jojoba oil, brings deep nourishment and hydration while promoting lip firmness. That sounds really good. See how this feels on the lips. Ooh. I feel like this could be really nice, just like pretty. It's a little thick, so this is actually going to be good for nighttime. This next product sounds so fun to me. This is the Chasin Rabbit's Butt Shroom Bum Pad. These are little sheet masks for your butt, and I hope it looks like that little mushroom. The packaging is absolutely adorable. I'm so excited to try these because this is just such a silly product I would never buy myself. Next up are these semi-cured gel nail stickers. These are from a brand called Kijibe. I don't know if that's how you say it. I'm probably saying that totally wrong. But you can cure these nail strips with a UV light or sunlight, apparently. I don't want to open them, but I think it's this pinky color, really pretty for spring. I'm very big on, like, if it's fall, I like to do fall colors. If it's winter, I like to do winter colors. So I'm probably going to save these for springtime. But this comes with the nail strips, a nail file, a wood stick, alcohol prep pads, and obviously your instruction sheet. The last product is from Onus. This is their triple collagen orange. So these you just mix in with water. I'm assuming it's just like collagen powder. And there's marine collagen, hyaluronic acid, and elastin. There's no artificial flavor, sugar, or additives. And this is organic orange from Valencia, Spain. So I'm very excited to try these out. I always drink collagen. And that is it for this Bazzaal Box unboxing. Thank you so much, Bazzaal, for sending me all these goodies. And thank you to all these brands for working with Bazzaal and sending us all these really cool products to try out. I'm going to have all the product reviews over on my Instagram, but if you guys want any specific product reviews, please let me know in the comments down below. Everything will be listed in the description box. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. And that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.